Welcome to Chair's Kitchenomics. Mabuhay Philippines! Kumusta po kayo? Namaste India and Bagonara, Hyderabad. Today we are making butter chicken with roti. Here are the ingredients for marinating the chicken. We need 300 grams of boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of curd or perugu, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, and another 2 teaspoons of garam masala. We need to combine all the ingredients for marinating the chicken in a bowl. Mix it well until all the chicken are seasoned. Then set it aside. Next, put oil in a preheated pan with a little bit of butter. Once the butter is melted, we can start pan frying the chicken. Please take note that boneless chicken is much more easier to fry than the one with the bone. Once our chicken are fried, we can now set it aside and start cooking for our gravy. Here are the main ingredients for butter chicken gravy. First, we need 6 medium size of chopped tomatoes, 2 medium size of chopped onion, 50 grams of butter, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 10 to 12 pieces of cashew nuts, 1 piece of bay leaf, 1 medium size of cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. In a preheated pan, put the butter and let it melt. Then add the onions, once the onions are caramelized, you can now add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, then mix it well. After 2 minutes, add the cashew nuts. Meanwhile, we can also add the ginger and garlic paste. tomatoes, after 5 minutes, we can add turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, garam masala, sugar, then cover it with lid. We can also add water once the tomatoes are cooked. Let it simmer for some time. Once the tomatoes are fully cooked and looks mushy, we can now transfer it to a bowl and set it aside to cool down. Once it cools down, we can now puree the gravy by using the blender. Once we get the desired consistency of the gravy, we have to use the strainer to make it more smoother. For the last part, we have to combine the chicken and the gravy together. You have to put 1 tablespoon of oil in a preheated pan. Put the cinnamon stick and bay leaf. After 2 minutes, add the gravy. Let it simmer for some time. After 5 minutes, add the chicken. And your butter chicken is ready. Next, we have to make roti or pulka. We needed 250 grams of wheat flour, an all-purpose flour for dusting, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil, and 1/4 cup of water. We have to wash our hands and make sure it's clean in order for us to knead our dough. Add all the ingredients in the wheat flour. Combine them properly. Add the oil. Mix it well and then add the water. Put the water slowly just to make sure that the dough is not too soft. You will know that your dough is ready when it's soft and smooth. Make sure to cover your dough with cloth so that it will not dry out. After 15 minutes, you can form your dough into small balls. We can now start making the pulka by dusting the dough, flattening it using the rolling pin, make sure it's not too thick and too thin. Remove the excess flour and place it in a preheated pan. sure that you are cooking the roti in a medium flame. Keep flipping the roti for 2 to 3 minutes. Then place it directly to fire for it to float. Then repeat the same step to the next one. This video, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.